Hello there. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a roller skating rink business. My name is Sarah and I will be your instructor in this video. Before we start a roller skating rink business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. Roller skating was a popular pastime during the 1960s and 1970s. People of all ages still enjoy spending a day or evening at the rink today. Roller skating is a great way to celebrate and connect while engaging in healthy physical activity, whether you're throwing a kid's birthday party or gathering colleagues for a team-building event. The industry of recreational sports centers, which includes roller skating rinks, is worth $78 billion and is expected to grow steadily in the coming years. While you may be eager to get started and become a rink owner, it is critical that you understand the relevant procedures and concerns. Fortunately, this step-by-step video guide gives you the entrepreneurial groundwork you need to get started. The location of the skating rink, like any other business, will determine your success. If you can't find an old roller rink, make sure you choose a large space with plenty of parking. Because of the size of the space required, the building will be your most expensive initial and ongoing expense. Current successful skating rink owners advise setting aside $4,000 per month for rent. After you've found a prime location, you'll face a number of additional startup costs totaling around $30,000. If the structure was not originally designed for a skating rink, you will need to design and construct the arena. To attract both beginners and novice skaters, skating floors should be made of wood. Depending on the amount of space you have to work with, hiring an engineer may be the best option for avoiding any spatial and safety mishaps along the way. You'll need lockers, benches, roller skates, a music system, a lighting system, tables, and food and drinks. You will also need accounting and inventory management software, insurance, a website, and marketing supplies. The overhead expenses of a roller skating rink vary depending on the services provided. Rent, insurance, and payroll will consume a significant portion of your budget. It also takes a lot of energy to keep something like this running, so plan on a sizable electric bill. You should provide refreshments for your customers. Before you open your business, carefully consider your menu options, as the items you offer will determine your budget. A portion of your budget should be set aside for ongoing and preventative maintenance as part of your business plan. There are numerous components to a skating rink, all of which are valuable. Preventative maintenance keeps the entire operation running smoothly and reduces the number of unexpected incidents. Anyone looking for a fun and safe place to gather with friends and family will be customers for this type of business. Customers will range from those who have never stepped foot on a pair of skates to those who skate every chance they get. Roller skating rinks are also popular among teenagers who want to do something more entertaining than go to the mall for a few hours with their friends. Your company generates revenue by charging admission to the skating rink and renting out skates to customers. Most arenas also provide party packages and sell food and beverages, which helps to attract customers and increase the profitability of the business. The amount you can charge your customers is versatile. Fees are largely determined by the customer's specific requirements. Individual skaters are charged between $7 and $11 for 3 to 4 hours of skating. Skate rentals cost an average of $5. The majority of your revenue will come from larger parties. Rinks charge a minimum of $350 if the entire space is rented. Parties that use the rink with your other customers charge a minimum of $150 for 10 guests, with an additional fee for each additional guest. When developing your fee structure, keep your overhead expenses and customer acquisition goals in mind. Your annual profit is determined by your fee structure, demographics, and other activities provided by the facility. Those who have found success in this industry recommend providing a variety of activities to attract customers who are interested in more than just skating. Entrepreneurs who have struck the right balance have reported annual profits of more than $200,000 in just a few years. You want to increase your profitability when starting a roller skating rink business. Skating as the sole form of entertainment will result in a low profit margin. Other rinks have implemented the following strategies and services to ensure a more profitable business. 1. Provide a food and beverage menu that appeals to customers of all ages. 2. Obtain a liquor license if it is affordable. Parents who are taking their children to parties will appreciate it. 3. On off nights, some roller skating rinks have found success as a nightclub. 4. Create your floor in such a way that it meets the size requirements for speed and figure skating competitions. 5. A single national event could cover your entire year's overhead expenses. 6. Increase revenue by selling skates. 7. Provide skating lessons divided by age and/or experience level. 8. Coach speed skating. 9. Provide exercise classes that include skating. 10. Organize roller derby events and market to local roller derby teams. 11. Make it more of a recreation center. You could provide arcade games, laser tag, or rock climbing. Some owners even have retractable basketball goals installed for basketball events, while others rent their space to cheerleading or volleyball teams. You can cater to the needs of your specific community by conducting research and identifying what your area lacks. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a roller skating rink business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.